It starts with a single swipe, a night out with friends, a gift you couldn't quite afford. Then one day, the statements arrive. The numbers don't seem real at first, just ink on paper, until the calls begin. Your balance grows, and so does the weight on your chest. It feels like there's no way out, but there is. Step 1. Face the numbers. List every card, every balance, every interest rate. Clarity isn't easy, but it's the first step toward freedom. Now choose your strategy: snowball or avalanche. The snowball builds momentum. Start with the smallest debt. With each win, your confidence grows. The avalanche? Ruthless. You tackle the highest interest rate first. It's a battle against time and compound interest. It's not just about numbers, though. This is about behavior. To win, you must fight for it. That coffee shop habit? Gone. Monthly streaming bundles? Trimmed to 1. Evenings spent scrolling on a shiny new phone? Replace them with side hustles or overtime hours. Every dollar you free up is a weapon. You throw it at the debt, hard, fast, until the balance starts to crack. There will be days you want to give up. When friends ask you out and you say no for the 100th time. When the progress feels too slow. But those moments are the tipping point. When you keep going, something shifts. One day, you'll make the final payment. The chains will fall off. No more interest dragging you down. No more sleepless nights. You'll walk lighter. Breathe easier. Because you didn't just pay off debt. You rewrote your story. Getting out of credit card debt isn't easy, but it is possible. It's about small choices every single day that add up to a future you can be proud of. Start today. Your freedom is worth it.